सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Fortis Healthcare Limited (FHL) has announced that the Delhi High Court has confirmed the sale of the Fortis trademarks and allied marks in its favor for 200 crore. This follows a public auction held on December 21, 2024, as ordered by the court in October 2024, stemming from a 2016 arbitral award in favor of Daiichi Sankyo Company Limited against several respondents, including the former owner of the trademarks. The court rejected objections raised regarding the valuation and auction process, confirming FHL as the owner of the trademarks with all attendant rights and liabilities. The next hearing is scheduled for April 16, 2025, for the execution of the sale deed. Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited has received an order from the Indian Navy for the design and development of a 6 MW medium-speed marine diesel engine under the Make-I scheme. The order size is 270 Indian rupees crore, basic value, plus applicable taxes, with 70% government funding. The project is to be executed within 36 months. Interraj Building Solutions Limited has received a letter of intent, purchase order awaited, for a domestic project valued at over 300 crore. The project involves the design, engineering, manufacturing, supply, and erection of pre-engineered steel building systems and is expected to be completed within 12 months. GE Power India Limited has received a purchase order worth 382 million Indian rupees, excluding 18% GST, from NTPC Limited for generator parts at the Talcher site. The order is to be executed within 40 months. VR Goel Infrastructure Limited has received a work order worth 10 crore 90,63,689 rupees from Hit Eastern Projects Private Limited for improvement works on the Lucknow-Khawasa section of NH44 in Madhya Pradesh. The project is to be completed within 6 months. Avantel Limited has received a purchase order worth 4.96 crore, excluding taxes, from the Department of Atomic Energy. The order is for domestic supply and is to be executed by May 2, 2026. The order comes under the SEBI circular dated September 9, 2015, and subsequent clarification circular dated July 13, 2023. Refex Green Power Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Refex Renewables and Infrastructure Limited, has been awarded a contract by Salem City Municipal Corporation to establish a 200 TPD municipal solid waste-based bio-CNG plant in Salem, Tamil Nadu. The project, estimated at 65 rupees and 7 paise crore, will be executed under a public-private partnership (PPP) model on a design, build, finance, operate, and transfer basis for 20 years. The project is scheduled to be commissioned within 19 months from the date of the concession agreement, which will be signed within 30 days of the letter of acceptance dated March 28, 2025. GPT Infra Projects Limited (Tinfra) has been awarded a contract worth 481.11 crore by Cow Construction, South Eastern Railway, Kolkata. The contract involves the construction of a major bridge number 57, over the Rupnarayan River, including approach viaducts and elevated platforms at Kolaghat station on the Howrah-Kharagpur railway line. This contract adds to Tinfra's existing order book, which now stands at 3,813.44 crore. Swiggy Limited has received an assessment order from the Income Tax Department for the period of April 2021 to March 2022. The order includes an addition of INR 58,25,80,987. The company plans to appeal the order, believing it has a strong case and that the order will not have a major adverse impact on its financials or operations. Harshdeep Hortico Limited received a purchase order worth 96,44,520 rupees and 24 paise from Navi Mumbai International Airport Private Limited, managed by Adani Group, for the supply of flower pots. This follows a previous order from Larsen & Toubro Limited for the same project. The order is to be fulfilled by May 31, 2025. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited (Zaggle) has signed an agreement with Truecaller International LLP to provide Zaggle Safe, their employee expense management and benefits platform, for a period of 1 year. The contract is domestic, and no further financial details were disclosed, nor information about promoter interest or related party transactions. Eastern Threads Limited received an intimation letter dated March 31, 2025, from the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax Department, concluding a revision proceeding under Section 263 of the Income Tax Act, 1961. The proceeding concerned a misstatement of Rs 48,24,187/ categorized as provision for bad or doubtful advances instead of bad debts written off. The order favors the company, eliminating uncertainty and potential liability. Kernex Microsystems, India, Limited has received a letter of acceptance, LOA, from North Central Railways, Prayagraj for a project to provide the Kavach train collision avoidance system, along with supporting infrastructure. The project, valued at 85.14 crore, including 18% GST, is to be completed within 500 days. This contract is part of a larger series of Kavach contracts awarded to the company, totaling 2,470.25 crore since April 2024. Kernex is the lead member in a consortium with KEC for this project. Ganesh Benzoplast Limited, GBL, has received a significant order worth 169.24 crore from JSW Jaigarh Port Limited. The order involves the engineering, design, manufacturing, supply, erection, and commissioning of a chemical tank farm. This project includes the construction of 11 chemical tanks, dock pipelines, and civil works. The project is expected to be completed within approximately 27 months. This is a domestic order, and no promoters or related parties have any interest in JSW Jaigarh Port Limited. Newgen Software Technologies Limited has received a purchase order worth 17.51 crore Indian rupees for the license, implementation, and maintenance of loss, account opening, and DMs from a domestic client. The order is to be executed within 5 years. This transaction is not a related party transaction. Newgen Software Technologies Limited has received a purchase order worth 17.51 crore for the license, implementation, and maintenance of loss, account opening, and DMs from a domestic client. The contract is to be executed over a period of 5 years. Newgen Software Incorporated, NSI, a US-based wholly owned subsidiary of Newgen Software Technologies Limited, has secured 2 statements of work, SOWs, with an international client. The total value of these SOWs is $1,675,000, and they are to be executed over a period of 5 years. This disclosure is pursuant to Regulation 30 of SEBI, Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015, and BSE and NSE circulars dated July 14, 2023. The transaction is not considered a related party transaction. Newgen Software Incorporated, NSI, a wholly owned subsidiary of Newgen Software Technologies Limited, has executed 2 statements of work, SOWs, with an international customer. The total value of the SOWs is $1,675,000, and they are to be executed over a period of 5 years. This disclosure is pursuant to Regulation 30 of SEBI, Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015, and BSE/NSE circulars dated July 14, 2023. The transaction is not a related party transaction. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।